Hello, Pawan. How are you doing, gentlemen?
Hi, sir. Good morning. I'm very good.
All
How are
right.
you?
I'm absolutely fit. Thank you so much for managing some time to connect with me for this conversation. Is going to be very thrilling to me. So I know that you have been a model also. I mean, you've been
Yeah.
working for a long time. At the same time, you did modeling. Um, so I have questions related to modeling today. Before that, I just want to
Okay.
confirm if my voice is clear to you and if my
Yeah,
video.
yeah, sir. Your voice is clear. You are audible.
Hmm. Yeah. So are you basically from, I think you're from Nainital, you told me?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. All right.
I'm from Uttarakhand at Nainital.
Oh, though I'm also from Uttarakhand, but I've never been to Nainital. I want to be there once. Yeah. So modeling questions related to modeling today. So asking questions to related to modeling to a model is a great thing.
Hmm.
So starting with, what is modeling? Please tell me something in brief about modeling.
Okay. So according to me, modeling is a advertisement and it is all about the representation. So how you represent yourself by carrying a fashionable garment, fashionable accessories in front of audience.
Right.
So it is all about representation and advertisement. So there are so many types of models like a commercial model and runway model, fashionable model, fitness model. So many more models. And once a designer create a
Creative.
fashionable garment,
Oh,
once
creates.
a designer
Yeah.
create a fashionable garment and accessories, then he needs a model to show that articles to publicly. So then models comes and then uh,
They
models dress up
sponsor
those
them
art.
or they exhibit or
Yeah,
sponsor those products like
yeah.
that, or they
Model dress up
advertise.
those things,
Hmm.
and then they represent those articles in front of audience and publicly.
Right.
So this is all about the modeling, sir.
That's wonderful. That's absolutely great. When did you do modeling for the first time?
I got chance in 2000, I guess. Yeah, I got chance in 2015. So I did
Oh,
modeling
I
two
thought
years.
in the year 2000. First you stopped at 2000. And I was like, you're so young. At
No, no, sir.
2000?
I got chance in
In
2015.
the year 2008, I think you must have been, I mean, just a
Yes.
toddler or maybe a 3 to 4 years of age or whatever. Anyway, so in 2015, you did modeling for the first time.
Yeah, and 15 and 16, I did 2 years. So, and 2 year, I got chance.
2 years.
2 years, I got chance to do modeling in my organization. So I joined my organization in 2015, and there was a competition which comes every year. So I took participate in that
I
competition, and I
participated.
got chance. I took participated in that competition, and
I
I win
participated.
two
Sorry
years.
for interruption. First of all, it's
Hmm.
participated, not shipated. I participated.
Okay,
Yes.
I participated
Perfect.
in 2015, and I win 2 year
I
continuously.
won.
And after that,
Yeah,
yeah,
I won.
after that I left that organization. So I left my modeling also.
Oh man. Okay. Would you ever like to do modeling again? Would you like to get into this
Yeah, sir.
arena?
If I get chance, so definitely I will do it again.
Hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, and I have information also. I have good knowledge about modeling also, because
You once
what
told
are the
me
things?
that you met Hrithik Roshan. So
Yeah,
who's
sir.
considered, Hrithik Roshan is considered to be the handsomest man in Asia, right? And one of the
Yes, sir.
handsomest men in the world. So where did it happen? Where did you see him or meet him?
So actually, I went to DLF Mall, which is in Noida. So there is a brand which called Rado.
Which
So
is
the
called
Hrithik Roshan is
Rado watches, right?
Rado. Yeah,
Watch
watch
brand.
brand. So the Hrithik Roshan represent that brand. So he came over there for some marketing, and he launched his new collection. So and then I met him over there. So I saw him, and but unfortunately I didn't meet him closely because there was a lot of people
That's
who
security.
were deployed over there for security.
Yeah.
So I met in Noida.
Okay. Oh, that's wonderful. Next question, which is how do we become a model? If a person, let's say I have no interest in modeling though. If I want to become a model, how do I start? Where do I go? What do I do?
Okay. So first of all, to become a model, first of all, you should know what kind of model you want to become. Because as I said, there are a lot of models like a fashionable and a runway and a fitness and many more. So first of all, you should know what kind of model you want to become. And after that, you should know what are the responsibility, like what are the job title of model, like what model do, what model
What
does.
models
Okay.
do?
And
What models
yeah,
do?
what model do.
What
And also
models
you should,
do?
what models do.
Right.
And also you should have good you should have at least basic knowledge about modeling, like how to act, how to give pose, and these all the things. And you should
Ramp
have a
walk,
good personality.
is that
Pose,
also a part of it?
pose sir, pose.
Posing, right. What about ramp
Yeah,
walk?
yeah.
I've heard of this term. I have heard this.
Yeah, ramp walk is a runway, sir. Runway.
Okay.
So in
Okay.
that, you have to give pose according to the how to act according to their agencies, sir. Okay. And apart from that, you should have a good personality, a great personality required in modeling.
Is
Because
required.
is required. And like you should have good height, at least more than 5.5.
Is mine
And
enough?
also you
Am I tall
what's
enough to be
your
a
height,
model?
sir?
Am I tall enough
Yeah,
to
you
be a
can.
model?
Yeah, you can, sir.
Really?
If you
Okay.
are interested, so you should go and you should do modeling. And
That's
also you should have a confidence also, because when you do modeling, you will meet lots of people, audience, and you will meet actors and all. And because you are carrying if
actors.
you do a actors and you are carrying a fashionable garment, so many when the event will happen, so many celebrity will come over there and many people will come over there. So you should have a confidence also to interact with people. And apart from that, if you want to go in modeling, so I would say there is a modeling classes also. And if you want to
There
make your
are
career
modeling
in,
classes.
yeah, there are modeling classes. And if you want to make your career in modeling, so I would say you should start uh, taking classes, uh, and you should learn and practice. Then you in future you will when you will go, so definitely it will be easy for you to do a modeling.
I see.
And apart from that, also you can create your portfolio, and where you can put your a professional photo, because for modeling you will require many photo. So you can create your portfolio and you can put your all the information and your about your height and all. And also you can put your professional photo in your
Photos.
portfolio, so that when will you go, yeah, and when you will go for an any event, any when you go for any agency, they will look your portfolio and they will see
They will
how
see
you
your
dress up, what's your style
portfolio.
by wearing a fashionable garment, how you represent yourself.
I want to ask you the last question, which is what are some of the challenges that models face, like you yourself, you faced, many other top models in the world face when they are at the beginning of their modeling career?
Okay, so when they start modeling, so they face so many problems because they don't know what to do and how to do these things in front of people. So many times it happen like we lack our confidence because because we have to maintain eye contact with audience. So in this we lack our confidence. We lost our confidence. So in the, I would say in that we have to be strong be strong, because we should have good confidence when we interact with people. And apart from that, I would say as I read, and because there is no there is no fixed salary in modeling industry. So it depend on the event. When the event will happen, you will be called and then you will get paid. But there is no fixed salary in modeling industry. And unstable income, I would say unstable
Unlimited
income.
Unlimited?
No, unstable, sir.
Unstable. All right, got it. Okay.
And apart from apart from that, many times we read in newspaper, for that in modeling industry there is a high competition. So every year models, new models come, new faces come. So there is a high competition. So here I am agent and event and organizer do manipulate with girls and all, because they ask for a we can say the sexual abuse in
casting
that, because of the high competition.
Casting couch happens.
Yeah, they take advantage of that because they ask for the sexuality and pictures and favors and intimate pictures. So I would say here the challenges most of the model face, especially girls face these challenges.
Right.
And apart from that, every year the new models come. So if your performance is consistency, so definitely you will be continue in modeling. If your performance is consistent, then you will be you will do continue your modeling. Otherwise, if new faces will come and if they will show a good performance, so they will get a chance.
If they show a better performance.
Yeah, better performance.
Okay, done.
That's
wonderful. Thank you. I want to share feedback with you. And so, Pawan, it's been a wonderful interaction today, and I have been connected with you. I've been training for a long time. We've been in the training. You have performed really well, and you are getting better and better than before. I just quickly want to share feedback with you. We never say according to me. According is used for others, like according to my friend, according to Bapu Gandhi, according to the Prime Minister. In my opinion, in my perspective. All right, according to me is wrong. Yeah. Actually, there's a little more feedback, which is going to take me more time, at least 5 minutes more to discuss with you. I want to share that feedback with you on WhatsApp. Okay, you performed really well, and please work on the feedback that I will share with you on WhatsApp. Wish you all the best, and I'll see you in the session. Thank you.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
All right.
Bye, sir.